So just imagine creating memes and sharing them on Discord without any manual intervention. Yes, this is possible using this amazing automation. You can create viral memes and share them on Discord without even moving a single finger. All of this is going to happen in background, and you know what you have to do? You just have to sit back and relax. So hello all, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video I'll show you how you can also create viral memes and share on Discord without any manual intervention using Pabbly Connect. So to do this, you just have to open your workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you are going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. 100 of tasks free means that you can share up to 100 of memes for free, and yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can definitely move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. And for that, we have a special discount coupon code just for you, which is attached right over here. You can use this discount coupon code to get a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect, and this discount coupon code is only for you and it is RITYT. Don't forget to check it out if you like Pabbly Connect. Alright, so now we're on the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect, and this is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens, and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, select it as schedule by Pabbly. So it is a feature by Pabbly which helps you to schedule your workflow. So select it as schedule by Pabbly. For the event, select it as schedule workflow and click on this connect. Noticing how often do you want to run your workflow, so select it as according to your own choice. So if you want to run this workflow on the days of the week, so select the same and select the days of the week on which you want to run this workflow. And if you want to run this workflow every day, select every day and then the time. If you want to run this workflow on the dates of the month, you can select the dates of the month to right from here. And further, if you want to run this workflow at regular intervals, select the same and mention every 15 minutes, every 15 hours, every 2 hours, every 2 days, every 2 weeks, and so on. It totally depends upon you how you want to run this workflow. I want to run this workflow every day, so I am going to select it as every day, and then for the time I am going to keep it as 1 p.m. and click on this save. Now this workflow is scheduled for 1 p.m. every day. Now using Google Gemini, we are going to generate the image, or you can say meme, which is a viral meme, and we're going to share it on Discord. Okay, so for that, click on this add new action step. For the action application, you have to search for Gemini because using this only we're going to generate this meme. Select it. Now for the event, select it as generate and edit images, nano banana, and click on this connect. If you have already created a connection between Gemini and Pabbly Connect before, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, you have to follow me, click on add a new connection, and it is asking for the API key. So to get this API key, open your Google AI Studio. Once you open your Google AI Studio, from the left hand of the side, go on this get API key section and then create API key. Now you have to name your key, select the project and click on this create key button. Your key will be created. Then what you have to do, you just have to copy the key and paste it right over here in your workflow. After pasting the key, click on the save, and your Google AI Studio, which is Gemini, will be connected with Pabbly Connect. After creating this connection, you have to select the Gemini model. So select it as Nano Banana, Nano Banana Pro, or Nano Banana 2. It totally depends upon you. Now for the method, select it as generate content, and it is asking for the prompt. So to get this prompt, you're going to find the workflow URL of this workflow in the description box below. You can check out the prompt from there and simply open the workflow. Once you open the workflow, you can copy the prompt like this and paste it right over here in your workflow. workflow. It totally depends upon you if you want to change the prompt, and if you don't want to change the prompt, you can definitely copy paste my prompt only. After entering this prompt, let's move on.
So do you also want to create viral memes and share them on Discord? Then you are on the right video.
Should be. Now this is uploaded file URLs. So over here, if there are some, you can select the same, but if not, you can leave it as blank. For the image URL, you can enter the image URL if you want. Okay, now after this, click on the save and send test request. Once you're going to click on the save and send test request, Google Gemini is going to generate you a meme, which we're going to further post on our Discord. The meme will be something like this related to the gaming. Okay, so let's open our workflow. Let's wait for a few seconds till it is generating me the meme. Now you can see we have successfully received the response. This means that the meme is generated, and we've also received this file URL. So let's just copy and open it in a new tab, and you're going to see that this is the meme which Google Gemini has generated. Just one more game at 1 a.m. still there at 4 a.m. on a losing streak. Such a good meme, right? So let's post it on our Discord. Let's just close this first. Let's go back and click on this add new action step. For the action application, select it as Discord and select Discord legacy. And now for the event, you have two options: send channel message HTML or markdown. Select it according to your own choice. I'm going to keep it as markdown and click on this connect. And now it is asking for the webhook URL. So to get this, go on your Discord, go on the server name, then server settings. Once you're on the server settings, from the left hand of the side, go on this integrations and then webhooks. Click on this new webhook button. A webhook name something like this will appear. Simply select the name of the webhook. If you want to change it, you can definitely change it. Select the channel in which you want to share the memes, then click on this copy webhook URL and then save changes. It is very important that you click on the save changes button, then simply paste the webhook URL right over here in your workflow. After you paste this webhook URL for the message, I only want to share the meme something like this. Okay, if you also want to share the message, you can simply type the message and then enter the meme URL which Gemini generated. But over here's a hack that you don't have to enter the meme URL manually by tapping it like this or by copy pasting it, but instead you have to map it. So you must be wondering, what is mapping? So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step, and when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. Okay, so over here put a slash and then you're going to see the responses will appear. So open the response of Google Gemini and map the file URL which is your meme. It is saying bot name and bot icons. If you want, you can definitely enter this, otherwise leave it as blank. Same goes for the text to speech. Then click on this save and send test request. You're going to receive the positive response that the meme is shared successfully. So let's open our Discord and you're going to see yes, this meme is shared. Not only this, but now at every 1 p.m. like every day at 1 p.m. Google Gemini is going to generate a new meme and it will be shared on my Discord server, something like this. And this is a very useful automation because this keeps the audience engaged. And yes, go and try this amazing automation yourself for your own Discord channel, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect, and while trying, if you have any questions, you can directly drop them in the comment section below. Don't forget that the workflow URL is attached in the description box below. Further, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, and if you want more automation tips, subscribe our YouTube channel. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching, everyone. So not only this, but you can connect many more applications using Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubts related to pricing, you can follow this link. If you have any doubts or queries related to sales, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. Both this link and this email address is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. I'll suggest you connect and integrate your favorite applications today, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.